I am so sorry for keeping everyone waiting. Here is the pasta salad recipe everyone's been asking for. It is an absolute must-have during any Pakistani dawat, especially if you have a dawat during summer. So first we need to boil our water, and in the meantime I'm getting all of my fruit and vegetables ready for the pasta salad. I love to use macaroni for the pasta salad. It's smaller and it pairs really well with the rest of the fruits and vegetables. I added in 1.5 cups of the macaroni, and whilst that's coming to a boil, I'm going to start prepping my fruits and vegetables. So the key to a good pasta salad is that you want to finely chop everything. So I finely chop my cucumber, and then I'm also finely chopping my carrots. And then I'm using some sweet gem lettuce, I believe that's what it is called, and I'm going to finely chop that as well. You can use iceberg lettuce as well, whatever you have on hand really, but I prefer the taste of a sweet gem lettuce. And then you're going to add in the sweet corn, and the key secret ingredient is the apple. The apple gives the pasta salad such a delicious taste when it's paired with all of the rest of the vegetables that we're using. It is delicious. By the time you finish prepping your fruits and vegetables, the pasta should be ready. So when you add in the pasta, it has to be cold. And actually the first time I made this, I was waiting around like a loser, but then my mum told me about this great hack. She told me to rinse the pasta with ice cold water, and I just thought that was genius. Why did I not think of that? So too, that you want to add in your potato salad, you can make your own or buy it from the supermarket. I would advise buying it from the supermarket because it's a dawat. You're already making so many dishes, so of course you want your starters and your salads to be easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then to that I added in around a cup of mayonnaise, but add in as much as you think you need. Of course, start with a little and then work your way through. And then for the seasoning, I added in around a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a little sprinkle of sugar. And yeah, you want to add this to your serving bowl. As you can see, it makes a really good amount, and you want to also refrigerate this because it is obviously better served cold. And there you go, that is the pasta salad recipe. Try it and let me know how it goes.